Hello everyone. Larafast is growing and it's growing very fast. In cooperation with one of my customers, Sam Jenkins, we have created Larafast Installer script, which will help you to install Larafast with just one command. As many of us love Laravel Installer, which helps us to create new projects just by running Laravel new and the folder name, Larafast Installer works with the same way. Let me show you how it works. So we have a command which will be specified in the docs. You can use it. So we need to add here our folder. Let's name it Larafast Test App. And it will ask which repository we want to install. So currently Larafast supports 4 repositories. It's ToolStack, VLStack, directories, and API boilerplate. I will choose ToolStack right now. Here you can choose your database configs. This is MySQL. And if you already have a repository, you can add the repository URL here. So it will be assigned and pushed to your repository. For now, we'll skip this one. And that's it. The project will be installed in a few seconds, basically, and all you need to do is just to run npm run dev, and that's it. It will install the database, it will install npm, it will modify the database configs, and that's it. I hope you enjoy it, and happy coding, guys. Cheers.